Hello and welcome to Learning Digital Compositing with Photoshop from A to Z course. So in this course, we're going from the beginning, from understanding the Photoshop, basic principle of Photoshop, how retouching, how to do masking, even how to set up lighting or what background to select for the best compositing processing. And we're going through all those ones, going to the basic principle of the digital composite and working even on some projects. So right here, this is one image from the project we will going to work. So rendering the background, masking, removing the models, embedding them. We have other project. We also work to create simple movie poster. So just in case if you need to create a very fast poster for something and you want to use your compositing work, you can utilize this. And also, for example, on retouching, we're going in very depth. Even if you don't interested in compositing, just portion of the retouching give you very high professional level of retouchings, which will going with the understanding of frequency separation. We also will going with all these adjustments, correction, color corrections, so we can achieve the best result of our image. Let's look closer on some sections. It will help you to better optimize your time. So you notice we have an introduction to Photoshop. In this section, we have all basics understanding of the Photoshop. And if you feel familiar with Photoshop and you feel very comfortable with these subjects, you can always just skip and jump directly to next one. So masking techniques in Photoshop, it's where we cover a different type of selection tools by the coloring, by the pen, or other subjects. You'll find in this section as well, you'll find many special files that will help you to practice your skills. We also have an option to find character for the compositing, where you can find how you can process, how you can set up your background and lighting if you like to photoshoot your own or use it stock images. We also have a preparing model for compositing, which is included extensive retouching, professional level retouching on our photography. Also, introduction to digital compositing. I highly recommend for you to look on these sections. They were going in the basic principles, the understanding, like for example, understanding shadows and other effects that will help you to properly merge several images together. We also have it compositing essential skills, where we're going to extend our skills, more depth into the system, and see on all these small elements how we can create specific elements. For example, how we can create light spills, fog, and smoke. This is a section especially designed based on the subject. So, for example, after you take this course and you work on some compositing on your own, and you find how I can make reflective shadows, so you can jump specifically to this lesson and see how it's done. So all of those is specifically subject related in the compositing, and hopefully that will help you to better optimize your time and workflow. For those who are interested how to create a 3D background, I have special sections to show how you can create, where you can find special applications, models, and everything, and how you can create your own digital backgrounds. And of course, when you're creating your backgrounds, you need the resources. The next section, it's covering resources for the compositing, where you can find our recommendation websites and how you can all set up. Before beginning on a project, we have a small overview to be sure we understand and remember all what we learned before, and we can going inside the project. That is hands-on project, so it's meaning you can take and download it all necessary assets for this and creating those projects. So currently I have two projects here, creating movie poster and also a boy and robot. So these two projects currently, and I have two more projects will come soon to this course. So this is growing course. It's keep on evolving. It will add more and more content as time progress forward. You also notice we have a special bonus pack, and this bonus pack you'll find a lot of nice assets to have it, from brushes, overlay, even already mask out models, many different models. You can use it royalty-free in your projects, and many more effects. So all overlays, lens flares, many things that you find you actually need it when you start to work compositing. So this is very extensive and large bonus pack you are more than welcome to use for your royalty-free works. So here's a small overview of this course. So let's go ahead and start working on our compositings in Photoshop.